Welcome back to 8 Minutes of Finance, where we break down complex financial topics into easy-to-digest insights, all in 8 minutes or less. If you're new here, I'm Ted, and each week we simplify the world of finance, from the basics to the trends shaping today's market. In today's video, we're diving into one of the hottest topics in the financial world right now, cryptocurrency. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even Dogecoin. But what exactly is crypto? How does it work? And why is it so widely talked about? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of all that and more. So grab your coffee and let's break it down in under 8 minutes. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin. What do they all have in common? No, they're not new Pokemon evolutions. They're cryptocurrencies. And if you've ever nodded along pretending you know what that means, buckle up. We're about to break it down like you're 5. Or like you just asked your grandson how to turn on the Wi-Fi. Remember when people thought the internet was a fad? Or when Netflix mailed DVDs? Crypto is kind of like that. Weird, new, confusing, until suddenly it isn't. From hip-hop lyrics to politicians arguing on TV, it's everywhere. But what the heck is it? Let's keep it simple. Cryptocurrency equals digital money that lives on the internet and runs without a bank or government babysitting it. It's like cash, if cash could fly across borders in seconds and didn't get lost in your jeans. You know how banks keep score of your money? Crypto skips the middleman. Imagine if everyone in your neighborhood kept a copy of your balance, so nobody could cheat. That's the blockchain. We'll come back to that. But if it's not physical, how do I know it's real? Well, is your Netflix password real? Your Venmo balance? Digital doesn't mean fake. It just means math is doing the heavy lifting. In 2009, a mystery legend named Satoshi Nakamoto dropped the first crypto, Bitcoin. No ads, no IPO, just some code. It was worth 0.003 of a dollar. Today, let's just say if you bought a pizza with it, that pizza cost you a house. Rappers rap about it. Elon tweets it. Celebs hype coins like Pokemon cards. But beneath the memes, real tech, real impact, and yes, real scams too. Crypto is now being debated in Congress, accepted by Shopify, and tested by banks like JP Morgan. Some countries love it. Others ban it. It's no longer a nerd-only club. Nope. There are thousands of cryptos. Some are fast like XRP. Some run apps like Ethereum. Others are, well, jokes turned millions. Looking at you, Dogecoin. Crypto lives in wallets, digital ones. You can keep them on your phone, a USB stick, or even paper. Lose your password, though? It's gone. Like X's and Blockbuster. Yes and no. Your name isn't attached, but your wallet address is public. Imagine wearing an invisibility cloak with a blinking light over your head. Just like art or gold, trust and demand. People believe it has value, so it does. Also, some cryptos have fixed supply, like Bitcoin's 21 million cap. Scarcity equals value. So is it the future of money or just nerd monopoly cash? Let's dig deeper, because this rabbit hole, it goes straight to Wall Street, TikTok, and even your grandma's retirement plan. Crypto was born from distrust. 2008's financial crash made people go, "Yo, what if banks shouldn't have all the power?" Crypto said, "Bet, we got math." Every crypto transaction gets recorded on a blockchain, like a public Google sheet that can't be edited. It's transparent, secure, and honestly kind of genius. No CEO, no central office. Decisions are made by code and communities, not suits in boardrooms. Crypto's being used to send money across borders in seconds. Hello, XRP power video games. Let artists sell digital art. NFTs, remember them? Even fund protests, without freezing bank accounts. Banks close on weekends. Crypto never sleeps. Banks charge you fees. Crypto, usually way less. Banks can reject you. Crypto just needs internet. Let's be real. Crypto has scammers, rug pulls, and hype men. You gotta think with your brain, not your FOMO. Don't buy just because your cousin's barber made 10 times. Governments are scrambling to figure it out. The U.S. fighting over whether XRP is a security clarity is coming, but slow, like your mom texting with one finger. Crypto can jump or crash 20% in a day. It's like dating someone who says, "I'm fine," but clearly isn't. Wild, volatile, addictive. Some cryptos aren't money at all. They power decentralized apps, voting systems, or data storage. Crypto equals Internet 3.0. Behind every coin is a community. Some are culty, some are chill. Dior. Do your own research is gospel. BlackRock, Fidelity, PayPal, they're all in now. Big money means big legitimacy, but also big eyes watching. Some call crypto freedom tech. Others call it a tool for criminals. Truth? It's both. Just like cash, internet, or even Apple Notes. We've seen the good, the bad, the hype. But is crypto just noise, or is it rewiring the global money game? In Nigeria, citizens used crypto when banks failed. In Venezuela, it beat hyperinflation. In NYC, it's getting taxed. Because of course it is. Crypto can feel like a secret club, jargon, wallets, gas fees. But trust, it's not as scary as it sounds. And it's getting easier. Zoomers treat crypto like email. Normal. It's in games, fashion, even dating apps. Swipe right for someone who paid rent in Dogecoin. Old school crypto, like Bitcoin, use tons of energy. New tech, like Ethereum's merge, is fixing that. Sustainability is the next battleground. Yes and no. Some got Lambo rich. Others lost savings. It's a tool, not a genie. Use wisely. Crypto is moving from the fringe to the mainstream, like Wi-Fi, like streaming. One day, it'll just be money. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Crypto rewards research, not hype. Avoid gurus. Invest in knowledge. Some cryptos are built to solve real issues. XRP aims to fix international payments. Not sexy, but super useful. That's grown-up crypto. Crypto is rap lyrics, finance bros, meme wars, and tech revolutions. It's confusing because it's evolving. You don't need to invest, but you should understand. Crypto could shape your job, your bank, your vote. Start small. Stay curious. Still confused? Try explaining it to grandma. If she gets it, you're ready. If she thinks XRP is a new soap, watch this again. Crypto isn't done. CBDCS. DeFi 2.0. On-chain ID. We're early. And the next wave is coming fast. So, what is crypto? It's more than money. It's movement. And whether you jump in or just watch, the ride has only begun.